Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You need to start by confirming who owns the form and which account you're signed into. Sign into the owner account or ask the owner to add your email. Once done, open Drive where the form lives and inspect sharing settings. Make sure it's not limited to a specific domain or group. If it's in a shared folder, verify the folder permissions too. This prevents permission errors caused by mismatched accounts or hidden folder-level restrictions. Next, change the form's share settings so your user can access it. Open the form, click Share, and choose anyone with the link if broad access is acceptable. Otherwise, add specific emails and assign viewer or editor role. Once changed, copy a fresh link and test in an incognito window while signed into the target account. Make sure Drive file visibility matches the form setting. Folder-level restrictions can override form links, so update folder sharing if necessary. Finally, handle stubborn permission errors by looking beyond the form. Ask your workspace admin whether external sharing is blocked, since domain policies can prevent access. If admin settings are fine, use incognito or a different browser and clear cache to eliminate stale credentials. If you still can't access, request the owner transfer ownership to a reachable account or export form responses and rebuild. If anything fails, the key troubleshooting tip: test with a fresh account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.